$1,000 and $2,000 per day commissions. Now, if you're a newbie watching this video, you might be thinking, okay, how can I have this crazy lifestyle? You see, traveling in Europe, Switzerland, luxury in Bali, Sydney, Australia, Singapore, Bali again, right? Sydney over here, Italy, Turkey, Greece, Santorini, right? Thailand, all these crazy places around the world, Philippines, right? It's because I do affiliate marketing the correct way. Okay, what is the correct way? As you can see over here, right? I'm getting $2,000, $500, $2,000, $1,000 commissions every single day. Now, what is the most important thing about these commissions, right? I'm getting 100% every single day paid to my PayPal, Stripe, or Bitcoin account, $2,000 to $1,000 commissions, because I promote this high ticket affiliate marketing system. Now, how this works, let me show you over here, right? You can see, right? The first thing we need to have is targeted traffic. So we need traffic from Google Ads, Facebook Ads, YouTube, right? And this is what I give to you. Once we work together one-on-one, I give to you the traffic, right? We run traffic, we send to the opt-in page, which is basically a simple landing page or blog page, right? And then we offer them one-time offer. So what is that? It means we simply offer them a product, right, for $50 to $100, and later on we ask them to subscribe to my email list. Why email list? So we can get automated email follow-up sequence. Automated follow-up sequence, okay? So that's the name of the game. Email marketing on the back end, right? So that's how we can make $2,000 to $5,000 per day in commissions, right? So traffic, Google Ads, we look for the intent, right? Buyer's intent. Buyer, why they click? Because they look for the solutions to the pain and problems, okay? And then they opt into our email list, free video reviews, for example, right? We give them free video, free cookie, something to get them hooked on our email list, email marketing newsletter, right? And then we send them by the company automated email sequences, so you can get these kind of results. You can get these kind of crazy lifestyle results. You can see right over here, look, $1,000 per day, 1,000, 500, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 1,000. Next one, $2,500 per day, right? 500 over here, 2,000. You can see, right? Every single day I'm getting over 20, 50, $60,000 per month in commissions with affiliate marketing. Now you can see, right? I'm always sharing my lifestyle. Jordan, here I spent over 10,000 euros for 3 days of traveling. Now, not to brag, but to impress upon you what is possible once you do it. Here, first class, Emirates. First class, not business, but first class. You can see over here, right? Here, look. You can see over here, first class, 5-star resorts, Japan, Tokyo, right? Thailand, look at this crazy life, right? All this is possible because I believe in myself, I take action, I put money where my mouth is, and I have a mentor and a coach. So you need to have someone who will guide you, Jesus, step by step along the way to have the results that you desire, right? So you can have this kind of crazy lifestyle. You can see over here in Santorini, in Greece. Look, this is me in Greece. Over here, right? Jordan, again, right? You can see, right? Crazy lifestyle. As an affiliate, on ClickBank or any other Magzep products, promoting high ticket or low ticket affiliate products. But you need to have someone who will guide you through step by step along the way and help you to get these kind of results, okay? So if you're watching this video right now, what you have to do right now is over here, right? We can get on an Unstuck free session, 15 minutes. You and I together, we will jump on a Skype call, WhatsApp, or cell phone, right? Together. Have a cup of coffee and have a deep conversation about you, where you want to go, about your business, your budget, what you're trying to achieve with affiliate marketing. Okay, I promise you I'm gonna be firm, but I'll be gentle. Okay, and I believe in you. You need to have minimum 1,000 US dollars to at least 5,000 US dollars to start with, and let's see what we can make happen. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, subscribe now, and like this video. Okay, let's connect after watching this video one-on-one. All the links are below this video: my WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, everything, email. You can find me over here, right? You can see over here, right? Crazy lifestyle because of affiliate marketing.